This 2015 K-Z MXT MXT309 travel trailer toy hauler Murphy Bed is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, external shower, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2015 K-Z MXT MXT309 travel trailer toy hauler Murphy bed is 6,770 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.